With the weather getting better and with many pandemic restrictions beginning to ease up, chances are that the summer will be all about outdoor activities. From pool parties to birthday celebrations and camping and barbecues, with picnics, beach days, and everything in between, the list goes on. No matter what you plan on doing this summer, Bluetooth speakers are a great sound accessory, whether you're on the go or hanging out at home. Nowadays, many of the best Bluetooth speakers also come with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant built in. This means that some of these wireless speakers can even double up as smart speakers, which you can use to control your smart home devices, ask questions, and play your music using your voice alone. Welcome to another video of Disrupt Tech, where we're going to tell you all about the 10 best Bluetooth speakers that you can get today. But before we get into the video, make sure that you drop a like on this video if you enjoy it, subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, and ding that notification bell so you never miss another update from us. Number 10. SUPNIU 60-watt portable Bluetooth speaker. If you're looking for a bulky option with heavy bass, this Bluetooth speaker from SUPNIU is a decent choice for outdoor listening. Many features include 4 speakers with double bass, double tweeters, and a rear heavy bass guide tube. The Bluetooth technology lets you connect to your smartphone and other devices, and it even has a range of up to 100 inches, flashing LED lights, plus it's battery operated. Number 9. The Echo Dot, 4th Gen. If you want a smart assistant that can also generate solid sound, the new Echo Dot is a good choice. Let's get straight to the point. The Alexa voice control is what gives the 4th generation Echo Dot an edge over many other devices. With complete hands-free control, you can play your favorite streaming services like Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, radio stations, podcasts, and even Audible. While the sound might not be as powerful as others, its multi-room feature will be sure to fill your entire home. And with it, you can play synchronized music across Echo devices in different rooms, or even sync your Echo into your Fire TV device so as to bring movies to life with home theater audio. You can even use it as a speaker whenever you have multiple Echoes connected and make announcements to whatever room you choose. Number 8. BOSE SOUNDLINK REVOLVE. If you're looking for a 360-degree Bluetooth speaker that is smaller than Sony's new line, then SOUNDLINK REVOLVE is a terrific option. This sleekly designed speaker is portable and even offers true 360-degree surround sound, making for a great listening experience. The BOSE SOUNDLINK REVOLVE can also be paired with a second speaker for stereo sound or integrated into a BOSE audio system. The speaker is easy to use and features a built-in mic that can be used to take phone calls or use your phone's smart assistant. It also features a good battery life of 12 hours, though the charging dock must be purchased separately. Number 7. UE Ears Boom 3. If you're looking for a wireless speaker for the pool, this waterproof floatable speaker is your best bet. The EU Ears Boom 3 features 360-degree sound and reaches high volumes, making it ideal for playing outside in large backyards. It takes a little short of 3 hours to charge, but it has 15 hours of battery life, perfect for a long day outside. One of the best features, though, is that it's waterproof enough to be able to survive being dropped and left in a pool for up to 30 minutes. And in fact, it even floats in water, so that way it's easy to retrieve if it does end up taking a dive. Number 6. Bang & Olufsen BEOSOUND A1 2nd Generation. At $250, Bang & Olufsen's round IP67 rated Bluetooth speaker has a luxury price tag, but it's a brilliant sounding small size speaker. With the included leather strap, excellent controls, and super durable build, it will quickly become your favorite gadget. The attractive, gently domed design not only looks good, but is instrumental in providing true 360-degree sound for indoors and out. If you're willing to spend a lot more for the best of all portable worlds, then look no further because this tiny luxury option is hard to beat. Number 5. UE WONDERBOOM 2. Ultimate Ears delivers a small portable speaker that is ideal for dealing with anything that nature can throw your way. The EU WONDERBOOM 2 is a powerhouse for its size and price. It's the perfect size for traveling, where you can easily stick it in your bag without taking up any real space. Plus, it's rugged enough to endure the normal bumps and bruises that an active lifestyle brings with it. In fact, you can drop it from heights of up to 5 feet and it'll still play incredible beats. It's also waterproof and floats if you drop it in water, plus it even features a healthy 13 whole hours of battery life. But the mark of a good speaker isn't just how portable it is. What means most to anybody else is the sound quality. And again, the UE WONDERBOOM 2 performs again and again, though it does lack the deep bass of some larger speakers. Overall though, it still has excellent sound for its size. Number 4. JBL Flip 5. The JBL Flip 5 is a great size for taking on the go and has amazing sound quality, making a good value for your money. The JBL Flip 5 may not have the most impressive features, but it is a rugged, great sounding portable speaker which is everything that you need with nothing that you don't. With Bluetooth only playback, it's easy to connect and use at home and on the go, both indoors and outdoors. It has IPX7 waterproof certification, which means that it can fall in water for 30 minutes and still survive. Handy if you want to ever use it near a pool. The sound quality is good and well balanced, with more bass than its predecessor, the Flip 4. It offers decent battery life and is small enough to be portable, so that way you can slip it into your bag without ever losing too much space. Number 3. The JBL Clip 2. This speaker is the definition of compact, and it is small enough to clip to your belt. The JBL Clip 2 might be small, but trust us, it is mighty. It's completely waterproof, super durable, and powerful as all get out. It has a total of 8 hours of battery life, plenty to last you a commute to work or a picnic in the park, and, of course, it's ultra durable. Coming in at only 6.6 ounces, it can be clipped onto your clothes or backpack with its Carboneer clip. Plus, you can even get it in a wide range of fun colors, from red to blue and even green. Not to mention that it has an integrated audio cable plus a mic, so that way you can use it as a speakerphone for calls. Though, we gotta admit, it's kinda small, so it does have a limited volume, but you can wirelessly still connect to 2 or more clip speakers together so as to amplify your sound if you need to, like for a backyard barbecue. Number 2. Sony SRS RA5000. The Sony SRS RA5000, with its room-filling 360-degree reality audio and balancing set of drivers, is one of the best ambient experiences that you can have with a Bluetooth speaker right now. The SRS RA5000 is the latest offering from Sony Audio, plus it has a 360-degree reality audio at the forefront of the speaker's features. Equipped with Sony's unique and spatial sound technologies, the SRS RA5000 is able to create an ambient room-filling sound, which is way more immersive than your run-of-the-mill audio experience. That enhanced experience does come at a relatively compact speaker and boasts more than just great sound. Packed inside this amazing Bluetooth speaker are 3 total up-front firing speakers, 3 side speakers, and a woofer for rich, well-rounded, high-quality audio. Plus, as an added bonus, you'll be able to get easy-to-use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Chromecast, and Spotify functionality. It's also compatible with most smart speakers, so voice controls can be used to control the device. Lastly, number 1. Sonos Move. The easy-to-use rechargeable speaker streams over Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi, which is convenient if you do want to use it at home. This durable, battery-powered speaker is a great Bluetooth speaker for your home, especially if you want one that you can move around with you, say from the pool area to your office or to the dining room. The Sonos Move is also strong enough to take the occasional drop or bump, and while it is portable, it's not the easiest to travel with over long distances due to its weight and bulky size. The battery lasts up to 10 whole hours and comes with a charging base. You can even recharge it with a USB-C charger. So, this speaker is also easy to use, as it's quick to set up, easy to control through the Sonos app, and you can easily switch from Wi-Fi to Bluetooth streaming whenever needed. It's also weather resistant and able to stand up to humidity, rain, snow, dust, sun rays, and salt. So, what do you think about our picks of the top 10 best Bluetooth speakers? What features do you think that the best Bluetooth speaker needs to have? Let us know in the comment section down below, and before you leave, make sure that you've subscribed to our channel and ding that notification bell so you never miss another update from us. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.